Right. Okay. All right. Let's start again. See, even I make mistakes. It's Sven from High Performance Training and Coaching. I'm here with Kiran. Kiran, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Brilliant. Kiran, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Me, I'm a fabrication engineer, and yes, after I finished my fabrication engineering, we started a manufacturing unit in India in '87,
Okay.
manufacturing tissue and tissue products.
Yeah.
And then when I migrated to New Zealand in 2002, I started working at places to get around, to survive, sort of. And then I realized that this is not me. This is, what am I doing out here? This is, what I'm doing is not valuable. I mean, I didn't see the value in what I was doing there. So
Okay.
It's all that I'm getting paid for.
Yeah.
And so I said, then I started GEO Business Solutions and started with what I knew. That was with tissue paper. So I started supplying tissue paper to people.
Okay.
And other, what do you call it, containers for fast food joints.
Okay.
So yes, that's where I started, and took some hits as well on the way.
Mm.
A couple of guys that I supplied containers to close the business and run away, and I got stuck with with the loss. So it took me some time to actually get back from that.
Okay. Okay.
And yes, and then I started back again with tissues because that's what I knew.
Okay.
And along came other products from the companies that I was supplying tissues. So they says, "Can you give us this and give us that?" I said, "Yes." For example, some of the products that I do supply them are pallets, pallet wraps, tapes, face paper, A4 paper, and things like that.
Okay.
So yes, and sometimes even cleaning material.
Okay.
That some of the companies ask for. So
Oh, so you cover hygiene too?
yes, I do.
Absolutely.
So these are some of the products that are there, and oh yes, and of late I've been supplying coffee and coffee cups. Not coffee. I'm trying to get into the coffee business, but and then coffee cups and other ancillary cafe accessories.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where I am now.
Nice. Awesome. Thank you for your time, Kiran.
You're welcome.
Cheers. Bye.